1, 2, 3, go.
That's a complete focus here.
Hello friends, we are going to talk about, my name is Madhav Joshi. We are going to talk about benefits of exercises. There is a famous Subhashit in Sanskrit. It says, Shariram Adya Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. It means, if someone wants to follow Dharma, he has to have a sound body. There is another proverb in Hindi, Sar Salamat to Pagdi Pachas. I would like to modify that and say, Sharir Salamat to Pagdi Pachas. That is the importance of having good health. A recent study shows that heart attack and cancer cases are going to triple in next 10 years. Isn't it alarming? So how do we maintain good health? There is a dialogue in Hindi film Dirty Picture. It says, फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों के लिए चलती है, entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. On the same lines, I would say, health सिर्फ 3 चीजों से अच्छी रहती है, exercise, exercise, exercise. So we'll talk about the benefits of taking exercise every day, and finally we'll talk about various types and techniques of exercises. Now I will invite Sanjay to talk about the various problems facing the society.
Hello, my friends. I will talk about the problems of the not having the exercise. Nowadays, we are hearing a lot of diseases like heart attack, blood pressures, diabetes. Most of the very early age people are getting addicted to these problems. Recently, one of my friends is in IT, 40 years, around 40 years, get addicted to the heart attack, and he is no more with us. So this type of the story even you might be hearing around you. So even people like you, most of you from the ITs, and you're working for sitting and doing your work. So due to that, like back pain, then a lot of other diseases which related to the bones, you get affected. So this is the problems there are a lot of. Again, our lifestyles has completely changed. We comes early at the office, a lot of tensions and things like that. Because of this change of lifestyles, we have a lot of junk foods. Because after going home, we might be late, so we are just carrying food from some mall or something. So this all combinedly makes a lot of problems to our health. And once we get addicted to any disease or any problems, you might be hearing after going to the doctors, the expenses of the medicines nowadays are very, very, very expensive. So these all problems against our lifestyles and other things due to that. So that makes us very uncomfortable in our lives. Whatever the real truth of the life we are not getting. So my friend is going to talk how to overcome with all these problems. Bhavan will be talks about the benefits.
Okay. Hi, I am Bhavan Tambe. So, just now Sanjay said that there are a lot of problems because of bad habits, lifestyle and all these things. I also realized because I am also a victim of such things, because 4 or 5 years back I was also very negligent, not taking care of my health, not exercising regularly, then working long hours, not getting up regularly, not drinking water periodically, and I paid for that. First, it affected my health. I got a kidney stone, then I got a back pain, and it was very, very troublesome for me. I lost confidence when the back pain started, and then when I visited doctor, I paid a lot of money to doctor, and then I realized the importance of exercise in the life. And when I started exercise, it changed me. It changed tremendously. In terms of my health, in terms of my mind setting. So earlier I was feeling lazy, I was feeling dull. When moment I started walking and regular exercise, it really changed. I was feeling energetic, I was feeling good, like we say feel good. That feel good is a word that I am experiencing now. So my urge is to do exercise regularly. It has a lot of advantages. So more advantages will be talked by my friend Venkat. But lastly, I will say that really health is well. I totally agree with it. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Venkat. I want to emphasize more on benefits of exercising by quoting my own example. I'm a diabetic patient. I had diabetes at very early ages, and because of diabetic, I used to have a lot of problems. Now also I'm diabetic, but I used to have a lot of problems. I used to cause a lot of side effects like eye problem, knee problem, like that. And if I go to doctor, the first thing they will ask is whether you are diabetic or not. And if I say I'm a diabetic, they feel very happy. So that they can prescribe more tablets and all kinds of tablets and all colors. So actually it used to cause a lot of tension also mentally and physically. And that was affecting my work, day-to-day work also. Moreover, they were finding more bugs and that was causing more tension to my life. So actually one of the doctors told me that you should do exercise quite regularly. And I followed that and I thanked him that actually. So now after the exercise, doing exercise quite regularly, now I feel little better. I feel more energetic, I feel fit. And I can focus on my work. And that has actually increased my productivity at work also. So health is wealth. And my friend Gajendra will talk about the ways of implementing the exercise.
Hello, I am Gajendra. When we speak of exercises, we only think of jogging, but there are lots of other methods of exercises that are available. In the morning you can do yoga, which can relax your mind and body. Then for young people they can go jogging and for a brisk walk. Brisk walk needs to be done so that you start sweating in half an hour or so that is effective form of exercise. Then walking has another advantage. If you do it outdoors, then you can breathe fresh air and it helps you. So there are other forms of exercises also. You need not stick to walking or something like that. You can play games like tennis, table tennis, badminton. So table tennis requires very fast response. So it helps you getting tired very fast. Then there are other forms of exercise, like you can play outdoor sports, like if you have a team or if you are a group of people, you can play football, you can play basketball, and there are other forms of exercise, like you can do aerobics. Aerobics is like music is also played during that time, so you can enjoy music as well as you can exercise. My friend Vipin is going to talk more about tips and tricks of exercise.
Hello friends, I am Vipin. Today I am going to talk about the same, for starting exercise you need to get up early in the morning and then only you can do. Otherwise many times it happens that you are sleeping and your alarm is continuing but you don't wake up. So to start, everyone has a smartphone nowadays, so you can set up an alarm, and then once you get up, you can. There's one app, a nice app for Android called Cardio Trainer. So you can use that to track your how many calories you burn while walking or doing some other kind of workout. So that way you will have automatic. It will keep the history. So it will help whenever you feel down. You can check the log that last month you have been doing so many number of kilometers of running, jogging, and all. So you will get motivated again. So that way you can start motivating yourself, self-motivation kind of thing. And to make it interesting, you can carry it this smartphone with you, and you can also you can have nice music so that exercise will be more interesting. And at the same time, if it is raining, then one more easy way to do the exercise is Surya Namaskar. It has a lot of benefit, and it is been written that ones who do the Surya Namaskar daily will never get poor and in 1,000 births. So anyway, we say that health is the wealth. So that's what I wanted to say. And Ravi is going to talk about the motivation.
Basically, when it comes to physical exercise,
there are a lot of barriers, typically for people from IT industry. And the basic barrier is time constraint. Like we feel like when we don't have time, there are so many things to be done in 24 hours. Okay, so find time for yourself, because that time, as you are spending time on earning, physical health is also a sort of earning, like when you are accumulating wealth in that sense. So take out time for your physical activities. Okay, then the other barrier is like, you are not very aware of what needs to be done and all. You can join up with some group or somebody who can help you with understand or do some exercises and all that. Then later on, once you are out of your barriers, motivate yourself. How I can continue it doing. Like you start at first, and then start continuing. How to continue? Again, same, join one of the groups or something like that, so that you can continue. If you are not, it's difficult to get. If it is difficult for you to get up, your body will call up you or ring your bell, so that at least you are aware. We have to go and all So that way, plus motivation in sense of think of the cost that you're going to save on your checkups and all, or the medicines, as my colleagues have told, So that way you can, motivate yourself in doing these physical activities. Plus, as we have already always know, prevention is better than cure. So it's time to prevent those diseases happening to us better than curing them. Better spending on cure of them. So with that, I follow to conclude our presentation.
Hi friends, this is my friends have talked about exercise and its benefits. Just to recap, we have talked about what are the issues of the health and what are the benefits of the exercise and how you can go about doing the exercise, and then most important thing, obstacles and how to overcome the obstacles. So this is the recap of what all my friends have talked about. So there are lots of benefits if you start doing exercise. Even if you do for 15 minutes, your lifestyle will improve a lot. Also, we are aware that we postpone a lot of better things for the later part of life. So it's better that we live longer. So it is better we start exercising so that we live longer and start better things and enjoy better things in life later. So health is wealth. So start doing exercise. Just give a commitment that we start doing exercise.
Thank you.